All right, the court is calling 2021 CR 1825 State versus Christopher Eugene Garcia. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Rick Bailey for the state of Texas.
Charlie Gonzalez for the defense.
Are you Mr. Garcia?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, on June 9th, you entered a plea of true to violation of conditions 5, 5, 5, and 5. The court found 5, 5, and 5 true. And we're here today because there was some information. You said there were some medical issues with your son, so that was going to be brought to the court.
Yes, Judge. And unfortunately, I was not able to get the HIPAA release from his ex. What I do have, and let the record reflect that I did show the state these documents. What I do have are pictures of documents if the court would like to review. I don't have anything I could admit. You are, Judge.
All right, so why wouldn't his ex sign a release? Has he not been in his son's life?
He has, Your Honor, and actually they get along very well. I think there was a misunderstanding of what that HIPAA release would entail. She was afraid of making documents public. That's what she explained to me, and I couldn't convince her otherwise. She just wasn't going to sign it.
All right, and here's my other question. The complainant on this case, is that the ex?
No, ma'am.
Let me double check.
On the ABI,
Mhm.
it is not.
All right, how long has he been in custody?
Do you know how many?
May 20.
Since May 20th?
All right. Yeah, how many days does he have in?
Checking my notes as I process, honestly.
Judge, I do have one witness.
Yes. It's a different complainant.
Wow. Sorry.
I have 40 days. Yes.
Thank you. Because this is a no contact with Garcia.
Like, Your Honor, if you've got credit for 40 days with us.
Okay, and then the complainant on this case, is that the same person who's the mother of this child? What's the name of the mother of the child? Okay. Oh, well, it's not the same person then. You say you have a witness?
Yes, Your Honor, I have his employer. It's, as I stated on the record previously, some of the great things that he has been able to accomplish is he's lived at the same address this entire for the last 4 years, and he's had the same employer for the last 4 years. And he did mess up, with this and not reporting, but he's made great efforts to stay stable for his son, because if you review the documents, his son may not even have 6 months left.
Mhm.
And so he really has cleaned up his life. I think this was the triggering thing for him. And
All you had to do was report.
I understand.
And I will tell you what your attorney is saying. I appreciate that, but that's what people do on a normal basis. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court will revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 40 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for any time served. The court will show that the judgment is satisfied. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with All right, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
nothing for the defense.
All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right. You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on community supervision. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're gonna have to make better decisions. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I will pray for your son.
Thank you,
All right,
Judge.
thank you. They should release him sometime after midnight.
I
I'm gonna
will-
have no control over that.
Yes, ma'am. I will let.
Thank you.
she's gonna-